Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing something a little bit different. It's a studio vlog, which is a visit to my studio. Now today I've got my tea and in a mug which incidentally I designed. And today I'm working on some Christmas designs because I've been going through some of my artwork that I've been working on for years. Some is new, some is a little bit older, but I'm going to be turning them into products that you can purchase in my store. So follow along and see what a typical day is like in the life of an artist. I am pretty excited about this. I just bought this precision glass cutting mat, and it's 14 by 14 inches square, and it has a full measuring grid. So this is the first time I'm basically unboxing it. Don't ask me why I bought it. I saw it on someone else's video and thought, oh wow, I need that. However, I haven't figured out why yet. There we go. Let me just get this in the camera. So pretty, and I'll leave a link below for where you can find one. Now let me show you all the things I cut out today. First of all, here are all the stickers, and these are available in my store, perfect for a cutting machine like a Cricut or a Silhouette. But you can also cut them out by hand because most of them have square edges. They're not terribly complicated. Lots of different sizes, great for decorating envelopes and gifts and all kinds of things, and kids will love them as well. Well, I hope everyone does, really. Kids, adults, young people, older people, dogs, cats, teddy bears. How fun is that? Now, the link is below, and I've also got the tags, which you can also cut out either by hand or with a cutting machine. Now, I just did one page, but as you can see by all these designs, they will also be in tags on my store at summerbaystudio.com. So please go have a look. And this has been so much fun. I feel like I've spent the day with you, and we've got to do it again soon. Have a look at some of my other videos, and I'll see you next time.